The freedom to enjoy top-tier PC games on the go is a significant advantage. However, when selecting the perfect portable gaming PC, one must look beyond the processor and graphics card. Factors such as memory, storage capacity, controller design, and user interface enhancements are also crucial. In our latest video, we present a concise buyer's guide and evaluate 5 of the leading portable gaming systems on the market. Also, the links for these consoles are in the description. The ranking of these consoles is not sequential. Select the one that aligns with your preferences. Now let's dive into the ROG Ally Z1 Extreme. The ROG Ally stands out as a remarkable portable gaming PC, surpassing the performance of popular competitors like the Steam Deck. Its compatibility as a full-fledged Windows device is both its strength and its drawback, impacting the overall user experience. The ROG Ally features a 7-inch IPS touchscreen with a 1080 pixels resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering smoother graphics and impressive frame rates, even in the most resource-intensive games. Starting at a base price of $599, the ROG Ally comes equipped with AMD's latest Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor built on the Zen 4 architecture, 16GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD storage, and graphics powered by AMD's RDNA 3 architecture. It also allows for easy upgrades with an M.2 2230 SSD, accessible via a single screw. The device adopts a straightforward design with an Xbox-style controller layout and the classic ABXY button configuration. For enhanced security, it includes a fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button. Overall, the ROG Ally is a strong contender for the title of the best Windows 11 portable gaming device. The Valve Steam Deck's proposition of a compact yet powerful gaming PC that fits in your pocket is quite appealing. This device packs the punch of a premium gaming laptop into a far more manageable size. With the Steam Deck, players have access to an extensive library of Steam games, and its 16GB of onboard RAM is ample for most titles. However, it's worth noting that not all games are immediately playable. Some may need adjustments on the user's part or updates from the developers. The design includes 2 thumb-sized analog sticks flanking a 7-inch LCD touchscreen. Despite its larger size compared to the Nintendo Switch Lite, the Steam Deck remains comfortable to handle, providing easy access to all controls, including the ABXY buttons and dual trackpads with haptic feedback. The Steam Deck's LCD screen boasts a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels at a 60 Hz refresh rate, delivering crisp visuals. Running on a variant of Arch Linux, the Steam Deck might not support every game out of the box, which could be a deterrent for those who prefer not to tweak the operating system. Nevertheless, the Steam Deck is a solidly constructed device that's satisfying to use, especially when playing Valve-optimized games. The performance it offers in such a small form factor is truly remarkable. The Lenovo Legion Go is a robust portable gaming PC, notable for its substantial build and vivid display, complete with detachable controllers. Tipping the scales at 1.88 pounds with controllers, it's a sizable device that commands presence. Its durable plastic body encases a massive 8.8-inch IPS screen, boasting a resolution of 2560 by 600 pixels and a refresh rate that can reach up to 144 Hz. While this may seem excessive, it adds a touch of opulence to the gaming experience. Under the hood, the Lenovo Legion Go is powered by an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, complemented by 16GB of RAM and options for either 512GB or 1TB of SSD storage. The price range for these configurations falls between $699 and $749. With such specifications, one would anticipate exceptional performance. One of the most distinctive aspects of the Legion Go is its FPS mode, which transforms the right controller into a mouse-like device, guiding an on-screen cursor or crosshair with ease as you slide the controller across a surface. Additionally, the Legion Go is equipped with a 49.2 watt-hour battery, ensuring ample playtime. Running on Windows 11, the Legion Go comes pre-installed with Lenovo's Legion Space software, which is easily accessible via slanted buttons flanking the screen. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Go is an inventive portable PC that offers a range of innovative features, even if they may not always be the most practical. For those not constrained by budget, the Ayano 2 stands out as a top-tier handheld gaming PC that may be new to some due to its premium cost. However, the investment brings exceptional performance, refined ergonomics, and a design that's built for extended gaming sessions. At its core, it boasts an AMD Ryzen 76800U processor paired with Radeon 68 mobile graphics, delivering the ability to run games at 1080 pixels resolution on low to medium settings. The standard model of the Ayano 2 is equipped with 16GB of RAM and 512GB SSD storage, which can be further expanded via an M.2 2280 slot. Priced at $1,100, the Ayano 2 isn't the most wallet-friendly option, and some specialists might suggest the Steam Deck as a more economical alternative. Nonetheless, those who opt for the Ayano 2 are unlikely to have buyer's remorse given its capabilities. In addition to its hardware, the Ayano 2 boasts a higher thermal design power, TDP, of up to 25 watts, supported by a robust 50-hour battery life. Like many gaming handhelds, the Ayano 2 includes a bespoke customization software known as A-Space. This platform allows users to launch games, tailor the programmable buttons, adjust the joysticks, and update firmware across various components. Overall, the Ayano 2 represents a significant advancement over its predecessors, such as the IO Next and the Steam Deck, offering an experience that's as satisfying to play as it is to hold. It may come with a hefty price tag, but its excellence justifies the expense. The Nintendo Switch OLED model elevates the gaming experience with its new 7-inch OLED screen, addressing the original Switch's limitations. Priced at $350, the OLED version shines with a display that brings games to life with richer colors and sharper contrasts, especially in darker environments. The device's main body is crafted from durable plastic, offering a more robust feel and better resistance to fingerprints. The audio system has been upgraded for clearer and more powerful sound. While the internal components may not be groundbreaking, they are sufficient, with the NVIDIA Tegra X1 chipset delivering smooth 1080 pixels gameplay at 30 frames per second. Handheld mode gameplay is optimized, easing the load during intensive gaming sessions. Storage capacity has doubled to 64GB compared to the original model. The redesigned kickstand offers enhanced stability and can be adjusted with precision, up to approximately 145 degrees. Minor modifications to the power button, volume controls, exhaust vent, and game card slot contribute to the overall improved design. For those considering an upgrade, the OLED model is a compelling choice over the base Nintendo Switch, primarily due to the superior screen that significantly enhances the portable gaming experience. It's a worthwhile investment for those seeking beauty in their handheld gaming journey. And that's a wrap on the futuristic gaming experience with the top 5 video consoles of 2024. If you enjoyed this journey through cutting-edge technology and immersive gameplay, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Links for these consoles are in the description. Also, these consoles are not in order, so choose what goes with your preference. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. Share your favorite console in the comments below and let us know what games you're looking forward to. Until next time, keep gaming and stay ahead of the game.